Okay.
We are making explosions.
Explosions. Okay, what's the first step?
Whoa,
2
that's a pretty
squirts
cookie.
of lemon.
Coffee, guys, or cappuccino?
Lemonade? Put your funnel up.
Yeah.
No, I'm good, thanks. Your grandma, you want to have cookie?
Oh,
Grammy, here's yours, Grammy.
thank you.
Okay. All right.
Now we're gonna need some baking soda. 4 scoops.
All right.
B.
All right. Is that how much lemonade we used last time? Okay.
1.
I don't know if you want to leave that food in there.
Okay.
You have room for it.
Yeah.
Up to you.
Uh,
Use it the whole container here.
Ben, the cookie's bigger than you are.
All right. What do we do next?
A squirt of baking soda. No, this.
What is that?
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice. Put your funnel up.
I don't want to put the mic in there. It'll stay cool and cool.
that's true. I think bad idea to just do that.
Then that should work.
Container's good.
I mean, lunch is gonna be here like in an hour.
Is it fizzing up?
Yes. Let's stir.
Oh, I see some fizz bubbles in there.
That cookies?
Okay, does it need more lemon juice?
Yesterday.
Let me add some more lemon juice like we did last time.
Is Coco going to be okay?
Oh! Come!
Oh,
Oh no!
What?
It's gonna explode!
Let's add some
I
more.
love seeing her in those glasses. Ben will have to wear his glasses. We can all wear our glasses.
It's fizzing in there, but it's not quite coming out of
I'm
the...
not getting that violent reaction anymore.
No, it did the first
What's that
time.
on? Why would you do it once and not?
Something's changed.
Well, we redid our experiment the way we did it the first time.
We rinsed it out. Could the water have made a difference?
I
Maybe.
don't know.
Or the amount of sugar you have into it from the lemonade.
It's fizzing, but it's not pouring out like it did last time. There she goes, adding some more.
That's why scientists keep notebooks. They write down everything that they do step by step.
Oh, Alice. Alice.
look
Here
out.
comes Daddy
Oh, you found the right combination.
More baking soda.
Yeah.
Good job. Now we know.
Observation, study.
Awesome.
More like